Hi there. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi.
For
What are you
me,
up to today?
it is just morning, and I have just woken up.
Nice. Me too,
So it's
actually.
what is the time over there?
It's 8 a.m. exactly.
8 a.m. It is 10 a.m. here.
Yeah, 2 hour time difference. Nice. You just woke up. Do you stay up late?
Yes,
How late?
I slept at 2:30.
It's so late. I
How
can't
late?
do that.
Okay.
No way. I think
Uh,
I went to bed at like 10 o'clock last night. Yeah.
okay. So you are an early sleeper.
Yeah. But I like to wake up early too. I prefer to wake up at like 6.
That's a very good habit.
Yeah. The problem is that real life doesn't end early. Like, if it's not quarantine, then usually I can't go to bed so early.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good.
Oh well. Now I guess it doesn't matter. Nothing's open, so I can go to bed when I like.
Don't you spend too much time on these social platforms?
Sometimes, yeah. Yeah. I think the one that takes up the most of my time is Instagram. What about you? Do you spend time on social media?
I have only Facebook account and I use WhatsApp and that's all.
And what do you
I
think?
don't have
Do you find that you waste time on it or is it manageable?
no, I do waste my time, especially on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Previously, I have Facebook in my cell phone, but I then uninstalled it because I was squandering my time a lot using that uh, application.
Nice word, squandering. Good. Um, yeah, it's true. I've really considered trying to Mm, maybe delete the apps or at least try to spend less time. But it's my only social interaction right now, so I'm worried about getting rid of it. Maybe I'm in denial.
How can you rephrase this? Maybe I'm in denial. In denial means
In denial means, actually, let me see. How can I rephrase it? Let me do an explanation and see if I can think of a way to rephrase it. In denial means that I know that it's not good, or I know something, but I'm choosing to not.
I'm pretending that I don't know the truth.
Right, exactly. You can
Okay.
be in deep denial.
Okay.
It means that maybe you believe it, but somewhere in your head,
Mhm.
you know the truth.
Okay.
Do you know anyone who lives in denial?
I think most of us live in denial because we know everything, we know the reality, but still we do things which we like to do. For example, we know that junk food is dangerous for us and harmful for us, but still we keep eating it. We know that using cell phone is not good for us, but still we spend time on it. So there are so many things which we do, but we know that it is not good for us.
You
So
haven't.
actually, we are burning our own finger.
Yes, it's true. Some people are more in denial than others, but you're right,
Hmm.
everyone to some degree.